Okay, I got some new parts, so I'm gonna do another bike check. I got a bunch of new stuff. I bought some and traded some with my friend. Okay, starting at the front. Got an animal bar end. It's working good. On this side, have a stolen Vortex bar end in glow in the dark. Kinda works a little bit at night. Stolen money grips. These came on my stock bike 2 years ago. I just have them on right now because I haven't had any money to buy new ones yet. And these aren't Cult bars, I just put the sticker. These are Sabrosa bars. I traded them with one of my friends for my bars. They're pretty wide and they're pretty tall, they look nice. Shadow Strike front load stem. This thing's awesome. I've had it for a while, I really like it. We have a stolen headset, and I just got these forks like a couple weeks ago. Fit shivs. These things look awesome. I haven't really been able to test them out that much now, but I fit some pretty big stuff and I haven't had any problems with them. I like them. Next, tire. Premium Refuse Resist Folding. This tire is awesome, except for this little, it got cut right there. I don't even know how it got cut, but it did. Yeah, this tire is pretty nice. I do a lot of sliders and it's lasting good. Next, the front wheel. Odyssey Hazard Light rim, laced with USA spokes to a profile mini hub. I put some new spokes in there, put some yellow ones, put some black ones. I was bored. Next, we got the frame in Eastern Reaper V2. This frame is amazing. I put it through a lot of stuff, and everybody says they break, and no, they don't at all. This thing's awesome. I did some really big landings to flat and stuff. Still working good. Colony Fantastic plastic pedals. They're getting old now and they're starting to suck really bad because they're getting really smooth. Fit Flow cranks. Put these things through hell. They're still really nice. Strong Shadow Spanish bottom bracket. That's starting to get a little fucked up now because I've had it for a while. Might get a new one soon. Just got this seat a little while ago. It's a Madeira. Where's the little thing? It's a Madeira pivotal seat, and I got it to a fit post. It's a little bit heavier than my other one, but it looks a lot better. Then over here, a Sabrosa skeleton cruise sprocket. The thing's pretty nice. I bent it a little already, but one of my friends gave it to me for free, so whatever, I'll ride it. KMC light chain. It has all the holes cut in it. It's really awesome. It's better than my Shadow Interlock V2. I broke that, and this is lasting longer, and it's lighter. Doesn't really look as cool, but whatever. Back tire. Primo E-Comet folding. This thing is a piece of shit. This tire's it's all bald and shit. Wore down so fast. All the side over here. I don't know if you can really see it, but it's starting to rip all the sidewalls up from grinds. So I took my pegs and my hub guards off for a while. I'm gonna ride pegless for a while. Wheel. Fly Bikes rim. Primo spoke Shadow Ramp V2 hub. Freaking amazing. Got some stickers and shit. Shred the gnar. I don't know if I forgot anything. Oh yeah, I'll let you hear the hub. This thing's really loud and really fucking awesome. And that is with some grease in it too. Still that heavy. I mean, still that loud. This bike's pretty light now. I'm turning it like, I'm gonna make it like all black pretty much. And I'm getting some new tires next, definitely. So my back one's a piece. I think I'm gonna get tan wall tires. Okay, that's my bike check.